This is Walt. He's a particle, and also a knight. He's Sir Walt, and he's going on a quest to save the princess from the dragon. This skillfully drawn map was made for Sir Walt by a mystical levitating man. It will show us Sir Walt's movement as he makes his journey. Despite some mystical technical difficulties, the Magic Man briefed Sir Walt for his quest. The kingdom is here at point A on the map. Fearsome and all-powerful dragon, shown here in a beautifully lifelike model, protects his lair at point B. And finally, our fair princess delicately awaits Sir Walt at point C. He started on his way and soon realized he was moving with a negative velocity, which resulted in him being a negative position from the origin and the kingdom. In other words, he had moved left when he needs to be going right. He was very lost and needed to get back on track. As you can see from the map, Sir Walt's movement is immediately negative, meaning he has made negative progress towards his goal. The slope changes from negative to positive at the minimum. Since velocity is the derivative of position, it also changes at the minimum. This just means that Sir Walt turned around and started heading the other way. Now on the right path, Sir Walt set out with new enthusiasm. Everything was going great until he dropped his sword.
Sir Walt dropped his sword around here. He realized it at this peak here. He went back to get it and changed his velocity to negative here. He picked up his sword here and then ran to save the princess right here. He realized he was running out of time and he doubled his positive velocity to save the princess.
He had finally made it. There was one thing left to do, and that was to fight.
This plateau in the graph here represents how Sir Walt's velocity equals 0. This means that he was not moving left or right during these 3 seconds.
The dragon was honestly feeling so attacked right then, and TBH, he didn't really care that much, so he gave back the princess. Walt was victorious.
At point C, he saves the princess. Then, Sir Walt and the princess run back to the kingdom with accelerating negative velocity, since their graph is concave down.
Acceleration.